Good morning, students. We are going to discuss negative economic importance of algae. Some algae are parasitic on the angiospermic plants, even though they are useful for human beings. Alga cephaloras is parasitic on the tea plants, and it causes disease, that is the red rust of tea. You know, the leaves of the tea is useful for the preparation of tea powder. That's why, due to the disease caused by cephaloras, it decreases the aroma of tea leaves. Algae growing in salt brines and giving or importing some the bad smell or offensive smell and pinkish color to salt. So due to which the market values of salt decreases, means there is less demand to such a salt in market. Planktonic means a very small size algae are floating on the surface of water. Planktonic algae growing on the surface. Planktonic means very small size. Algae growing on the surface of the water reservoirs decrease the oxygen percentage in water. So as you know that the oxygen is needed for respiration for the algal plants or animals. So due to the presence of the planktonic algae, the availability of the sufficient oxygen in water decreases. That's why the non-availability of sufficient oxygen and fishes and other aquatic animals, due to the insufficient oxygen, sometime the fishes and the other aquatic organism may die. Algae growing in water release some toxic material. So due to the toxic materials, so they show the harmful the effects in the human and the animals. So such a water is not actually the useful for the drinking purpose. Algae growing in water reservoir are responsible for the bad taste and odor to the drinking water. Due to sometimes algae decay in water, so due to the decay of the algae, so bad odor come to the water, which is not suitable for the drinking purpose. Algae growing on the filters in pumping station reduce the efficiency or working ability of these filters and responsible for clogging the water pipes. Means generally due to the presence of the algae, sometimes the water pipes may be blocked. So these are the harmful or the negative, the importance of the algae.